Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn how to use Google Chat on iPhone, and I would like to give you the tutorial from the beginning. First thing you have to do is just go open your App Store and just go click it. The next thing you need to do is wait until the App Store is perfectly open and just go click search button, and then you just need to type Google Chat on the search button. Right after you found it, you just need to go click it and make sure that you install the application with these symbols or icon. And after you perfectly installed it, you just need to go click this open. And this is the look whenever you are the beginner or user of the Google Chat. Now there will be like one and only button there. Go click it, and you just need to choose which account that you want to use, and now just need to go click done. And here is the look whenever you logged in with the account that you use here. If you want to create a new chat, you just need to go click this symbols, and then just need to type the email or the Google address of the friends that you want to chat, and you just need to type what do you want to say here, and just go click send and wait until your first giving it reply. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this video a lot, and let's meet again in two other tutorial.